All right, I have a quick update to the video you're getting ready to watch. I know I don't normally film videos like this, but the video of this 2021 GT Roush Supercharge you're getting ready to watch was filmed Friday. Today's Monday. Normally on Monday we would edit and release the video. We had a voicemail from this client on Sunday and said I already took the car to the drag strip and ripped off 1069 in the quarter mile. And I said, hey, that's worth mentioning. Send me a time slip. He emailed over the time slip, which I'm going to put a picture of at the end of this video. So if you watch the whole thing, you can hit pause, you can look at the 60 foot and what the car ran in the quarter mile. And I said, hey, for a heavy convertible on just a set of drag radials, that's an impressive time. 1069 in the quarter mile, you got to love that with basically a 50 state calibration. So check this out. Hey, what's up? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks for watching Brent Speed TV. It's twinning day today. The reason I say that is because this 2021 Mustang behind me is the exact same combo as my 2019. Color, top, wheels, everything. Both running the Roush Phase 2 Supercharger, flywheel rated at 750 horsepower. This car is an automatic running 93 octane. The only difference between this car and mine is I am running a set of stainless power long tube headers, but this car is completely stock with the Roush Phase 2 Supercharger. So we're going to watch a dyno pull on that. It's going to lay down over 600 real horsepower through the automatic. I have Doug with me. Let's go check out the engine compartment. So, all right, the Roush Supercharger, it's a 2650. It's a TVS. Doug, come down, take a look. But it's a completely intercooled supercharger system. And the reason a lot of people buy these is because Roush does include, without you paying any extra money, the 3-year, 36,000 mile drivetrain warranty that can be handled through a Ford dealership or even a shop like us. But it's the Roush TVS flywheel rated 750. So we're talking rear wheel here on our dyno. It's going to make less than that because, you know, when you say flywheel, that's on an engine dyno. We're talking rear wheel. But the car is stock, so it's really cool. It's a 2021. I believe he's going to drive it around like this for a while, then probably come back for some more mods. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify. That's how you stay up to date on cool videos like this. Check out this dyno pull. Okay, we're gonna check out these numbers. I love the torque, but then stick around because I wanna show you the car one more time and talk about a couple of videos that you might be interested in watching if you like this one right here. But rear wheel, DynoJet, SAE, 648 real horsepower, peaking at 6,800 RPM, which is where we stopped. Torque stellar, 547, peaking at 4,700. But when we went wide open, 3,000 RPM, over 500 torque to the tires. That's a killer setup by simply installing the Roush Phase 2 Supercharger with the Roush calibration. It's available mail order. We have them in stock. You can come in, get it installed. And you might be wondering, what's it cost to get installed? Well, email quote@brentspeed.com. But there's a couple of videos I wanted to tell you about and one more sweet look at my twin right here. But a couple days ago, we had two of these 2021s in, father, son. I did a cool video on that. That was a neat story about those guys coming in, spending a day here, getting their superchargers. I will put a link at the end of this so you can watch that video, as well as I will put an S550 Roush Supercharger playlist video at the end as well. You can click on that shows where my car runs 10s in the quarter mile by simply putting on the supercharger, a set of headers, and sticky tires. So hey, I'm Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions. We're always happy to answer. And again, quote@brentspeed.com is how you find out what it costs to get installed. And in the description, I will have links of this supercharger right here, so you can click on it and have it shipped right to your door. Thanks for watching.